Ever wonder what exactly is inside of an igloo in Minecraft? This video is going to show you where igloos are, how they generate, and what is inside an igloo. Hey, this is Raj, and if you enjoy this video, remember to subscribe to my channel so you can get daily Minecraft tutorials. Now on to the video. Let's first talk about where to find an igloo in Minecraft. There are two biomes that generate igloos. They are snowy tundra and snowy taiga. Igloos do not generate in ice spikes, snowy mountains, snowy taiga hills, or its variants. The igloo is composed of snow blocks, and on the inside there is carpet, bed, furnace, and a crafting table. Half of igloos will have an oak trapdoor under the third piece of carpet from the entrance. This trapdoor will lead you down a ladder into the basement of the igloo. The basement consists of a brewing stand, cauldron, and chest. In the brewing stand, there should be a splash potion of weakness. The cauldron will be 2/3 full of water. Also, there are two iron bars, or cages if you will. One will have a plains villager, and the other one will have a zombie plains villager. If you want to cure the zombie villager, there's all the items you need to do it in the basement of the igloo. If you're not familiar with curing a villager, the first step is to throw a splash potion of weakness on them and then feed them a golden apple. So the chest loot that you can find from the igloo looks like this. There are a total of 8 different items that you can get. They are the golden apple, coal, an apple, wheat, gold nugget, rotten flesh, stone axe, and emerald. So the percent that is shown is the chance that item will be in the chest. You can see that emeralds are the rarest and the golden apple is the most common.